For today's project, we will be decorating these little candles. I got these from Dollar Tree, but you could use any kind of candle. It's just a plastic one, and it does a nice little flicker. And we are going to make a striped candy cane. I think I'm going to use one in red, and then I'll do another one in a gold. Might even use my rose gold, but just get some fine glitter. Then you need some Mod Podge. I'm using the glossy, and we'll apply it with some foam brushes. And I recommend some just white cardstock or computer paper, or just something to help catch the glitter, and then we can pour it back in, the extra that comes off. And lastly, we'll need some blue painter's tape to mark off a design where we want the glitter on our candle. So with that, let's get crafting. The first thing we want to do is to tape off where we want the design, the glitter. So I'm using some blue tape to do that. I think I want my strips to be too thick, and so just the one line thick. So that'll be a section that no glitter will get to. And then I'm going to use 2 more strips just for measurements. These are just to hold my candle in place. Okay, and then I'll take off those 2. So that will be the strip, which might be a little much. I think I'm going to only do 1 strip of the glitter, and maybe 2 strips of none. We have our candle all wrapped. So we apply our Mod Podge first. I will do 2 coats of this, so I'll let this dry a little, move on to the next side, and then I'll do another coat of that red. So that's 2 coats. This is just the one where you can still see some of the candle. And I left the top up here. Down. And then we'll brush off that extra in the center. So apply a second coat of Mod Podge to the other sides. If you get any extra on the tape, it'll come off when we peel off our tape. I'm going to set this aside and let it dry. I think all the spots look good. There's a few spots. If you see, you can just apply more Mod Podge and glitter, and then all this extra glitter, I'm just going to bend the paper and pour it back into my container. So it doesn't require a whole lot of glitter, at least for this. This is a 2.82 ounce container, and it has several different colors. So there's different colors in it. It's in the Hobby Lobby Christmas section, so it was clearanced, which made it a nice price, and it was enough for a little candle. So I'm going to clean this up, and then we'll go on to our gold one. Okay, I went ahead and taped up my next one. And I'm going to use a new brush since the other one has glitter, red glitter on it. So, same thing as last time. now that our glitter is and Mod Podge is all dry, we can take off the tape. There's little sections that aren't quite so clean. You can just kind of scratch them off a little bit. And then we'll brush some of that extra off too. Now to seal these, you can use, so the glitter doesn't come off, you can use your Mod Podge or you can use a polyacrylic spray and just spray them. I have Mod Podge right here, so that's what I'm going to do. I just love how these candles turned out, and with these pillars and greenery I found, I think it really makes it look high-end. You have to let me know down below if you like the gold or the red better. It's a hard choice, and I guess it kind of depends on the Christmas decorations that you put up. I think this is kind of more Christmassy, but you could almost do this one all year round. With the lights, it's hard to see when my lights are on. And with that Mod Podge or polyacrylic, you can rub this and there's no glitter that comes off on your hands, which is nice. So I hope you enjoyed crafting with me, and I look forward to seeing these candles that you make. Also, don't forget to give me a like and subscribe. It helps my channel. Thanks, and I'm glad we got to craft together.